So as you come off of South Main Street, you'll find Helendorf on the left. I'm sure I'm going to find some interesting information about the River Inn and Conference Center, but it's a really cool vibe hotel. When you come in, just a pro tip: be sure and get a photo of your license plate, your car information, because you will need that to register. Go in there, it's a front desk, they'll take care of you. I know when we checked in, Jared took care of us, did a really good job.
What room are you going?
Once you get checked in, you're basically going to go through this archway right here. This archway will take you into the parking lot. They have two parking lots, an upper parking lot and a lower parking lot. As you can see, there's ample parking here. I know later today this will fill up. All of these wonderful people coming in, that'll fill up. So we have tower suites here. I'm sorry, junior suites here. There is an elevator that's building with the mural on it. That's actually an elevator. Of course, they have stairs going up to all of it. And then it's laid out, and then you have rooms on this side as well. What's really neat, the little building that juts out right up next to the cars is actually a room. That might be interesting. There's more rooms up there. We'll walk up there in a second. And then there's these rooms here. Now, I have never seen these rooms. I know we have a room tour with one of the junior suites. There's other channels that have it to the other rooms up there. Hey, kitty kitty. Kitty kitty. That's like the third one I've seen this morning. Here's the indoor pool. Looks to be about 4 feet deep. And it's 4 feet all the way, so it's not a slope. It's cold out. It's not like freezing cold. It's cool out. Kids would absolutely love it. Indoor pool housing. I guess ceiling and everything. It'd be an awesome greenhouse too. Right on the other side of that glass you have a shower. It's a good place just to come and chill out because nobody's here. It's not too loud. There's no wind. So, It's really another reason if you're coming to Helen to consider staying at Helendorf. We love it. We've been here 2 years now. This is our second year. And we've already made plans for next year. There's so much to do, and you meet your friends. We had a good time last night. Not all of us got thrown out of the place. A couple of them did, but nobody got thrown out. When we left, though, they were glad to see us go, but they had a good time. All right, so I'm gonna go see what else is going on. All right, so I got to talking with someone that worked here, and I didn't get his name. But at the top of this area is the end of the building over here. So at the top of it, there's a room up there. It's room 333. It is one of a kind. You go to the door to the room, you have to go up another flight of stairs. Then it's got a small kitchenette and everything, and then a couple more stairs up into the bedroom. He was telling us that it was basically used for a special occasion, a honeymoon, and stuff like that. But he also said when they were filming Smokey and the Bandit, Jackie Gleason stayed in that room. And one of the neat things about it was when he was staying there, he said he wanted an ashtray for his cigarettes anywhere he could sit within reach. So he said that room was full of ashtrays. Neat little things when you just ask.
Man, you must be old because I don't even remember that show.
So there's rooms up here as well. This is really cool in here. So that is probably a favorite of ours. When we visit here, we don't have to, we go through there. I'll show you in just a second, but it's a way to get to the main street. You have a Mexican restaurant. I heard it was pretty good. We haven't eaten in there yet. So they were working on this last year. Basically, it's a walkway between the parking decks or the parking lot of the hotel to Main Street. And so I've actually seen a couple dog walkers this morning and yesterday, so they're utilizing it. But this is a shortcut. When we walk out of our hotel, we come up that ramp, and of course we come right through the mason jar. We grab a cup of coffee, and we are on Main Street right beside the, right across the street from the coaster. I know there's several of them. I don't want to leave anybody out, but they do room tours for these as well. I just haven't had access to one, and they did such a good job. I don't want to try and outdo them because I would lose. That's how good of a job they've done. That's the perimeter parking lot area of the Helendorf. And I'm about to go in and grab me some coffee because it's cold. Oh yeah, one last thing. Over here is a stairwell. I was telling y'all, that little crop out building right there, it's a room. I actually think there's one below it too. Good morning, how are y'all? Hey there, buddy. Doing well, thank you. Yeah, stairs that goes down to level 1. Level 2. We checked into Helendorf, so let's do a quick room tour. We got Riverside. We have a very large area. Two queen beds. Coming to the sink area. Good sized TV, dresser with 6 drawers, a little desk. One of the neat things about this room is it comes with a little kitchenette. You got a stove, little sink, a little refrigerator. This isn't like a cruise refrigerator, it's more like a mini fridge. 2 queen size beds, lamp in the middle, dining room area, and this is the best part. We have a balcony overlooking the river. Right there's the bridge. There's the Troll Tavern. Troll Tavern. Cowboys and Angels is directly across. And then the river down. Whew, that's cold out there. Here you have the vanity area. Plenty of hangers. You have an ironing board, plenty of counter space, and then of course the restroom. Standard shower, or standard tub, shower, commode, and you're good to go. All right, guys, we're here. We actually have a special treat. We got shown this room last year, and we're gonna get to take a peek at it again. I hope it's the same people that let us use it last year.
Come in.
This is Lisa.
Hi.
That's Mr. Steve, Miss Lisa. They're gonna let us do a room tour for room 403. Ooh. So it's a 1-bedroom, almost like a mini suite. You walk in, you got a king size bed, and it wraps around. 2 nightstands, TV in the bedroom, dresser, a Whirlpool tub, double sink vanity. This bathroom is huge. Then you step into the other area. You have a sink in where the commode is, but this is awesome, y'all. This is a walk-in double shower inside as well. Then it wraps back around, back out to the living area. It's got a fireplace, 2 swivel recliners or just rockers, a full-size couch, a dining table, full-size refrigerator, huge kitchen. I think this kitchen is bigger than the one we have at home. And then you can see the town all lit up at night. So the shower is a cool feature, probably the best feature, if not one of the best, is this fireplace. It is so warm in here right now. Mr. Steve, have y'all been out on the balcony yet? Can I go out there?
Yeah.
And they have, there it is, yeah. And then they have, you coming out? They have the river right here on them as well. Sit out here and listen to the river flow. All right, guys, so that was room 403 here at the Helendorf Inn. And it's,
I guess you could call it the mini suite.
I don't know what they call it, but it's really cool.
So you can get away from home.
Yeah, it is. We, they showed us last year and we were gonna think about booking it, but we thought, you know what, we were happy with our place last year and I was a little bit late, and now I know why. They went ahead and booked it and I didn't. So
they got it as soon as it popped up.
They got it, but they were nice enough to let us do a room tour. So we hope you enjoyed it. I'm going back in here and
it's warm in there.
Enjoy that fire right there, because it's turned chilly here in Helen. And so we will catch up with y'all tomorrow. We've got some exciting things to do, and of course, you know, we're going to drag y'all along.
We got to see what we can get into.
All right, see y'all.